So, natapos na natin yung pag-display ng list, pag-edit ng to-do, yung detail page, at saka pag-add. So, ang gagawin naman natin ngayon is yung pag-delete. So, kopya lang natin tong to-do edit. Kopya lang. Medyo same lang eh. So, required pa rin ang to-do ID. Since yung kung mag-delete ka, so specific data din yun eh. So, to-do, get object. So, if request method is equal to post, then and so if request method dot post, so to-do dot delete. Ayan. So, i-delete natin yung kinuha natin na data which is yung to-do. So, if request.post method is equal to post that if request method is equal to post, then to-do.delete. So, pupunta tayo sa to-do list, yung home route. So, else, walang else. So, yan. And then, yung context natin is yung to-do. To-do. And then, yung data natin is to-do. So, pupunta tayo sa confirm. Pag-confirm ng delete. So, to-do, confirm, delete. So, ayan. So, pupunta tayo sa page na to. Pag mag-delete tayo ng isang data or isang to-do. So, puntahan natin yung route. Tapos, Alt Shift down lang. Same, to-do and to-do. And then, delete. So, delete to. And then, i-add natin yung delete na to-do delete. Tapos dito, delete. And then, to-do delete. Okay. Okay. So, pag nag-request siya na, delete to. And then, gumawa tayo ng file. So, to-do, _confirm, delete.html. So, ayan. So, sa pag-delete natin, so almost yung form is parang same lang nito sa add. But then, kopya muna natin. So, we want to ask the user. So, H1, delete task or to do, right? And then, P, gusto natin i-ask yung user na, are you sure? Are you sure you want to delete? Ano bang i-delete? Right? To do that title. So, to do that title. And then, post. Remove natin yung form. Okay? So, action, method post, ganyan. Tapos, ito is delete. Right? Or confirm. Since, ganyan. So, pupunta yung user pag mag-delete siya. Yan. So, mapupunta siya dito na page. Pero, mag-confirm mo na. So, kailangan mo nang mag-submit ng post request para ma-delete yung data. So, para mapunta siya dyan, so, copy lang to. Alt Shift down, tapos to do delete. Same, to do ID, tapos delete. Ito. Lagyan na lang natin to ng ng ganyan para meron silang parang may bar, right? Okay. So, nakarun na ba yung server? Okay, nakarun yung server. Check natin. Delete to do. To do delete. So, to do ID. So, request to do, yung kinuha natin na object is yung to do, tapos kung mag-request ng post, so i-delete natin. Yung URL is to do delete, name to do delete. Okay. Okay na. Let's go. Let's check. Refresh. Okay, merong delete dito. So, walk in the park. Buy manok or, okay, padagat. Example ito. So, ayan. Are you sure? Delete us. Are you sure you want to delete padagat? Right? So, balik. Padagat. Right? Padagat. So, confirm. Ayun. So, nawala na yung padagat. Right? So, pag-delete niya, so redirect to to-do list. So, let's say, itong buy manok, delete natin to. Confirm, go take a bath, edit mo na, completed na. Kahit hindi pa naligo. So, delete. Okay. Visit a girlfriend. Save mo na yan. Hindi ko pa na-visit yung girlfriend ko. So, go fishing. Walk in the park. Completed. So, completed na to. And then, how about let's add a new task. So, drive. Go for a drive. And then, completed. To do. Okay, drive. Completed. So, ayan. Yan yung paano mag-delete sa Django.